actively care about crypto. 700,000 people out of a population of 8 billion people. Right? We're just a speck. Regular people don't care what's just happened. It matters to us. It matters to these ETF providers for the customers they've got.
Are you ever curious about what the future holds for Bitcoin? How far can this digital gold reach? As we stand on the precipice of the digital age, these questions become increasingly important. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrency, has sparked a financial revolution, but predicting its trajectory is akin to navigating a labyrinth in the dark. Why, you ask? Because Bitcoin, like any other investment, is subject to the whims and fancies of the market. Its value can skyrocket or plummet, all within the blink of an eye. However, amidst this uncertainty, there are those who dare to gaze into the crystal ball of Bitcoin's future. One such individual is Raoul Pal. An influential figure in the realm of cryptocurrency, Pal has made waves with his bold Bitcoin predictions. His insights have not only intrigued crypto enthusiasts, but also left them pondering the potential of this digital asset. Today, we delve into the mind of Raoul Pal, a man who dares to forecast the unpredictable. Before we dive into the prediction, it's crucial to understand who Raoul Pal is. Raoul Pal, a name synonymous with finance and investment, has an intriguing background. Starting his career at Goldman Sachs, he then co-founded the hedge fund, Global Macro Investor, and later, the Real Vision Group, a financial media company. His vision and expertise in macroeconomics have earned him global recognition in the financial world. Pal's predictions aren't mere shots in the dark, they're often steeped in deep market analysis and economic understanding. His previous market predictions have been eerily accurate, making him a respected figure among investors and financial analysts alike. His insights into market trends, coupled with his in-depth knowledge of global economics, make his predictions something to look out for. Now that we know the man behind the prediction, let's uncover his vision for Bitcoin. So, what's Pal's big prediction for Bitcoin, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into it. Raoul Pal, a renowned macro investor and co-founder of Real Vision Group, has made a bold prediction about the future of Bitcoin. According to Pal, Bitcoin is not just another asset, it's a supermassive black hole that could potentially suck in all other asset classes over time. So what leads Pal to this conclusion? His reasoning revolves around three key factors: current market trends, the adoption rate of Bitcoin, and the potential of blockchain technology. Starting with the market trends, Pal has noticed a significant shift in the way investors approach assets. Traditional investments such as gold and bonds are no longer the only safe havens. More and more people are turning towards Bitcoin, drawn by its potential for high returns. This shift in investor behavior is what Pal refers to as the Bitcoin effect. Next, Pal looks at the adoption rate. Bitcoin isn't just for the tech-savvy anymore. It's reaching a wider audience, with people from all walks of life eager to get a piece of the Bitcoin pie. Pal believes this trend will only continue, with Bitcoin becoming as ubiquitous as the internet itself. Finally, Pal points to the potential of blockchain technology. This isn't just about Bitcoin, it's about the technology behind it. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize countless industries from finance to healthcare. Bitcoin, as the flag bearer of this technology, stands to benefit immensely. Now, Pal isn't saying that Bitcoin will replace all other assets. What he's suggesting is that Bitcoin has the potential to become a dominant force in the investment world, a supermassive black hole that pulls in more and more assets over time. But what does this mean? What could be the potential impacts of such a scenario? Let's explore these questions in the next segment. Pal's prediction paints a picture of a future where Bitcoin dominates. But how could this change our world? Imagine a world where Bitcoin is king. It's not just a world where you can buy coffee with Bitcoin, but one where Bitcoin is the backbone of the global financial system. This is the world that Raoul Pal sees in our future, and if his prediction comes true, it could have profound implications. Firstly, the traditional financial system as we know it could be disrupted. Banks, as intermediaries, could become obsolete as transactions become peer-to-peer. This disruption could lead to a more equitable distribution of wealth as the barriers to entry in financial markets are lowered. No longer would one need a bank account to participate in the global economy, just a digital wallet. Then there's the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. With Bitcoin as the dominant currency, DeFi could flourish, providing innovative financial services that are transparent, open to all, and free from the control of central authorities. This could lead to a revolution in financial services, making them more accessible and efficient. Moreover, Bitcoin could become a global reserve currency. Countries around the world could hold Bitcoin in their reserves, giving the cryptocurrency a level of legitimacy and stability that it currently lacks. This could lead to greater acceptance of Bitcoin, further driving its adoption and use. However, this future is not without its challenges and risks. The volatility of Bitcoin could lead to economic instability. There are also concerns about the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, and let's not forget the regulatory hurdles that Bitcoin would need to overcome to become a truly global currency. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits of a Bitcoin-dominated world are too significant to ignore. The promise of a more equitable, efficient, and inclusive financial system is a compelling vision, one that could potentially transform our world for the better. While this future may seem distant, it's a possibility we cannot ignore. So we've laid out Powell's prediction and its potential impacts. But what are the key takeaways here? Let's break it down. Raoul Pal, a seasoned global macro investor, suggests that Bitcoin could be the future of finance, possibly even revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with money. This isn't just about a potential increase in Bitcoin's value, but also about its capacity to disrupt traditional financial systems and bring about a new era of decentralized finance. For investors, this presents an opportunity that's hard to ignore. As Powell points out, Bitcoin could potentially offer unprecedented returns, but it's also a volatile and unpredictable market. As for the global economy, the rise of Bitcoin signifies a shift towards a more democratized financial ecosystem. In the end, whether Powell's prediction will come true or not, one thing is clear: Bitcoin is here to stay, and it's a force to be reckoned with.